Hi, in this video, we will be sharing 5 effective solutions to help reduce the appearance of acne scars. Remember, you don't have to use all 5 solutions. Depending on your skin type and the severity of your scars, some solutions may work better for you than others. So, it's important to try them out and see what works best for you. Solution 1. Aloe vera gel. This plant has been used for centuries for its healing and soothing properties. To use, simply apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel onto the affected area twice daily. Solution 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains alpha-hydroxy acids, which can help exfoliate the skin and reduce the appearance of acne scars. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water, then use a cotton ball to apply the mixture to your scars. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Do this once daily. Solution 3. Honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it can help hydrate and soothe the skin. Apply raw honey directly to your scars, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Do this once daily. Solution 4. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that can help repair and protect the skin. Apply the oil directly to your scars and massage it gently into your skin. Do this once daily. Solution 5. Chemical peels. Chemical peels done by a dermatologist are an intensive solution for stubborn acne scars. They involve applying a chemical solution that exfoliates and reveals smoother skin underneath. However, they should only be done every few weeks. So there you have it, 5 solutions to help reduce the appearance of acne scars. Remember, don't forget to consult with a dermatologist before trying any new treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.